Hey guys, got a 1992 Toyota Camry in here, and it had a excuse me, it's got a problem with bad vibration and clunking noise in the suspension. So I took the wheels off and started just looking for problems with the suspension, and immediately found one of the problems here. So you can see we have a broken spring here on the right front, and also if you look down here on the sway bar link, the bushing and the bracket that holds the sway bar to the subframe is gone, so it's just rattling around in there, as you can see. And that's not all. Look on the other side here. We have another broken spring on the left front. Got a little torn CV boot there, so I'll either replace the axle shaft or probably just do the whole axle shaft while I'm at it. And look in the back here, and where is it here? There's another broken spring. I can't remember if it was this side or the other side, but sway bar links in the back here are shot. Let's go take a look at this one. There's a broken spring, so you can see it just ends right there. Broke. So that's where all our noise is coming from, and this shock absorber is leaking. There's a little play in those sway bar links as well. So what I did is I got all 4 new sway bar links, sway bar bushings, 4 strut assemblies, CV axle, and this also needed a windshield wiper transmission as well. It's broke, so we got that put on there. And we're going to go ahead and put all this together, see if that fixes our noise, go out for a little test drive, see what happens. But yeah, 3 or 4 springs broke, and sway bar bracket and bushing completely gone in the front here. As you can see, the 2 holes there where it went in, it's completely gone. So it just bounces around in there like that. Got all the parts in the back of my truck over here. Go ahead and get the work done. Alright, so I just got finished replacing all 4 struts, front and rear sway bar links, front sway bar brackets and bushings, and went out for a test drive, and the suspension is completely silent. Smooth as glass ride. And while I got the old struts out here, I thought I'd just give you a look at what they look like here, what happens. So you can see the fracture there in the spring. That'll cause a noise. And where's the other one? The one that, well, they were all leaking, as you can see, all running down. So the ride quality was poor, and our Jounce bumpers up there were gone. This one was broken too, as you can see. Another fracture right there. And just all around worn out. So this one here, as you can see, was leaking. And the spring was also broke here. And the piece had actually fallen out of this one, so it was gone, unlike these here, which managed to stay in place. And then this one here, this one, the spring was still intact, but you can see it was rusting, and seeing as all the other 3 had broke, this one was probably on its way to, so we just went ahead and replaced all 4. And it is a completely silent ride now. Rides like new. It's got 225,000 on it, and as far as I know, those are the struts themselves might not be original, as you can see that little paint mark on that one. But the springs, as far as I'm concerned, they look to be the original ones. So total for parts, I think all the parts for this was about $400, $500, and it made the car ride like new. So well worth it. Ready for another 225,000.